5 myths about energy healing I am going to dispel right here and now. First one, healers heal you. The truth is, us healers, what we do, what our job is to do, is to make sure that we are resonating at a particular frequency and vibration that's going to assist you in your own healing. It's your chakras, your system, your higher self that actually takes on as a resonance effect and also allows that flow of energy to go where it needs to go. So it's actually a teamwork. We're supporting and facilitating the healing. However, you are the one from an unconscious, beautiful higher self version making the shifts and change. So you will always be your own healer. Number 2, that energy healing replaces medical assistance. Well, here we go. This is really, really dangerous. If my child, God forbid, hurt themselves and had a bone sticking out, I'm not going to sit there and do Reiki on them. Reiki will have its place during the healing process, but I'm taking them to the hospital. So there is definitely a time and place for energy healing, and there's a time and place for Western medicine. And we don't disregard what the doctors and nurses tell us. We work together with this industry so we can be a complementary option. Okay, next one. Only believers will receive the right healing after an energy healing session. This one was a surprise to me. When I was learning, I thought that you really had to believe it. I thought that person had to fully be open. Well, when I was practicing, I gave away a lot of energy healing sessions for free with family, friends, neighbors, and half of them were just trying to support me. But the truth was it worked, and they actually got a bit of a shock. They were actually pretty surprised how much this stuff was quite physical. That they could feel the energy moving, or some of the purging. Which brings me into number 4. Purging is terrible and bad. Think about any kind of healing modality that you have in the world, regardless of its energy healing. It could be going to the physio. It could be going on a new shake diet. It could be post-surgery. You're going to have an experience of a little bit more pain before it actually drops. With every healing, you will have some kind of purging experience, and there's no difference with energy healing. Some people purge with fluids, extra urination, needing to go to the toilet more often. In severe cases, they might even feel nauseous. But it's also the emotional state. They're going to feel it before they release it. So purging is definitely not a bad thing. It's actually a really positive sign that some big things are shifting, which is great. And the lucky last one, Reiki is bad. I remember when I first started seeing posts, I put posts up about Reiki, for example, and people were like, oh, Reiki can harm you. Okay, let me make this really clear. Anytime you have an energy healing session with anybody, make sure that you put a pyramid of white light around yourself. That will protect you from anything. This is a geometrical shape that supports that protection. That's number 1. You never do anything like this without that pyramid, and never let anyone tell you to take it off either. That's happened to me before, and it was a real good sign not to hang out with that particular person or do that thing. Second of all, if the person has pure intention of love and healing, that's all they need for this to be set to exactly what it needs to be. Remember, you are the one providing the healing. Your chakras are the ones that are needing to approve this. So at the very least, if it's not for the highest good of you, nothing will happen, and that's okay. So Reiki will never harm you if you put your protections in place and you are seeing someone that has pure intentions with love in their heart. Simple as that. If you would like a one-on-one with me or one of my amazing students, I would love to hear from you.